Welcome back to Champaign Ford City. This is Todd. I want to go over the documentation we've got for the 2019 Shelby GT350. We'll post a link to the video of the actual car at the end of this video. We'll put a link there, and there'll be a link to our website in the description of this video. So obviously starting off here, we have the factory window sticker. So Kona blue, the ebony leather and suede. It's got the vinyl over the top stripes, exposed carbon fiber, the heated and cooled seats, handling package, and front license plate bracket, which is in the trunk, never been installed. Car was $63,855. This was also in the window, next to the window sticker. This was a special ordered car. Got the original stock tag from the dealer and a key tag. Here's the original screws to install the license plate bracket, front and rear screws. Being a handling pack car, it came with the gurney flap. These are the instructions to install that, and the instructions to install the adjustable strut kit that came with that as well. Got the factory build sheet from the plant, and there's two versions of that came with the car. These stickers would have on the window of the car as well. Each of these stickers, there's one on each wheel. Kept all of those, and this would have been another decal on the windshield. And we've got the RO from the PDI, installation of the strut kit. I think there's an oil change in there as well. And then, very important to these cars is the owner's supplemental kit. And ironically, 2019, the cover of the box is the Kona blue white stripe version, which is just like the car. So we're going to open this up. And these were shipped to you after you bought the car and it was reported sold. Ford would send this to the customer. And then this was not in the kit. This was an additional 2019 Shelby brochure right off the showroom floor. So we've got one of those. And then here's the letter that Ford sent the previous owner. Let me get this advertising out of the way here. Basically a letter to the Shelby owner and then a certificate of authenticity showing this is chassis number 1999. And then you get a book on the 2019 Shelby GT350. And then underneath this was something really cool that Ford came out with. Obviously the Shelby GT350 has a flat plane crank, so they gave a miniature version. Basically you could display it on your desk. You get this mount, you just set it down. Again, chassis 1999, it matches the car. Very important that these stay with the car. There's also a factory media poster in here as well. I don't want to unroll that. It's never been out of there. So you'd set this on this display and have it on your desk or whatever. So anyhow, very important to keep all that. Then there was some of the media stuff that came with it, track tips, different items. So all this will come with the car. You can get a special owner's edition picture. In fact, in my office, I have one of those from back in 2016. They're very nice. All right, so we'll put all this, package all this back up, and again, all this documentation will go with the car. First, everybody watching, have a great day.